what we're doing with the isometrics against the wall, we are lifting and there's no movement at the contact point. The contact point isn't moving, but all of this, all of that is this kicking in of everything, which is going to lift that. So this intention to move and lifting the wall up, that's the same thing that happens here. Intention to move, intention to rise up. It's exactly the same. Here I go, I'm going to lift up and I feel everything in the body kicking in and I can make it get really strong. And then here, I'm just going to intend to lift and it's the same. It's the same. Here I'm going to pull down. Yeah, pulling down, pulling down, pulling down, pulling down, pulling down, pulling down, pulling down. And then here, I intend to pull down. It's the same. So you can clarify the sensation. You can do it as a real strength exercise, but you can also just go, clarity. This is the upwards pulling. This is the downwards pulling. And yeah, work on it from there.